Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video we're checking out this security camera. It is a smart battery security camera, smart AI recognition, 1080 HD video, two-way audio, IP65 waterproof, 100% wire free. Let's go ahead. If you guys want to see even more features, just pause the video right here. Show you guys what's in the box. Alright, so inside the box you got the camera. So this is the camera. To mount it wherever you want. Underneath here, so let's see here, you guys got your SD slot, power button, charging port. Nice small simple design. Nice bracket. Power cable to charge it. So you just charge it when it gets low, the battery. So you download the app and then you pair the app. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and set it up, show you guys some video footage.